Good afternoon, students. So we'll continue with our atomic structure, right? Okay, as we are doing some questions, right? So we're doing some questions in atomic structure. Okay. Now remember there are four quantum numbers, right? N, L, Ml, and Ms. Okay. Like last time we did this, right? You'll get four quantum numbers. Okay. Now I'll take some questions here. Let's do some very interesting questions. Let's take a question like this. Uh, how many electrons, right? Let me give you a simple question now. How many electrons in lithium? Let's take lithium. Okay. Will have Ms is equal to plus half. Suppose students are asked you this question. How do you do this? How many electrons in lithium will have Ms plus half? Okay. So for this, what you are supposed to do is you write the configuration. So lithium is what? Atomic number 3. So atomic number 3 means how we write 1s2, 2s1. Okay. 1s2, 2s1. Now 1s2, 2s1. Students, you draw the box diagram. So please draw the box diagram. So you will draw the box diagram like this. And for 2s, you will draw the box diagram like this. Okay. So 1s2, 2s1. Fine. Now what you are supposed to do, see they have asked the quantum number here. So you should write the quantum numbers for these two electrons. There are two electrons here. Very important, there are two electrons here, right? So what is the quantum number for this electron? What is the quantum? Now let's write for this electron. Let's take for one of the electron, right? Now tell me, n is equal to 1. Am I right? First shell for s orbital. Students, for s orbital, tell me what is the value of L? 0. So n is equal to 1. L is equal to 0. Correct? I am taking this electron. Okay. What is the value of Ml? Ml is also equal to 0. What is the value of Ms? Ms is equal to plus half. Okay, this is for the first electron. Fine, student, first electron. Now what about the second electron? The second electron will have what number? I'm talking of this electron, you see. The second electron. For second electron also, n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, Ml is equal to 0, but Ms will be minus half, students, right? Ms will be minus half. Okay. Now you take the third electron. Now third electron, how do you write? N is equal to, but remember students here, N is equal to 2. Is that clear? N is equal to 2. L is equal to 0. If L is equal to 0, Ml is also equal to 0, and Ms you can take it as plus half. We have drawn it like this, like plus half, right? Okay. Students getting it? So this will be the situation for lithium now. Ms is equal to plus half. For the other one, Ms is equal to minus half. And for the third electron, you write like that. Now the question was, how many electrons have got Ms is equal to plus half? Alright, that was the question. So now can I say two electrons, right? Can I say two electrons have Ms is equal to plus half? Can you see this? One electron here, one electron here. So the answer is 2. Okay. So I hope students you are getting it. So what you should do, you should write the address for every electron. Like write the quantum number for every electron. So n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0. If L is equal to 0, Ml can take only one value, 0. So then half minus half. So these two electrons, right? Okay. Fine. So that will be the answer. Okay, students. So I hope we can do this question right. Okay, fine. Let me give you another question now. Yes. Let us take let's take a difficult one. Like let's take calcium. Okay. Calcium atomic number is 20. So since 20 is the atomic number. Now let me write the whole electronic configuration. See, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, correct? 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, right? Fine. So you will get atomic number 20, you have 20 electrons, 10 plus 10, 20 electrons, right? You can see on the top 10 plus 10, 20 electrons are there, right? Now students, I want you to write the address, for every electron. What is the quantum numbers? So for this 1s, you tell me what are the quantum numbers? N is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, Ml is equal to 0, and Ms is equal to half for one electron. Right? For the second electron, for the first electron. For the second electron, what are the numbers? N is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, Ml is equal to 0, but Ms is equal to what? Minus half, right? Okay. So this is for 1s2. Fine. Students, I hope you are getting it. Now let's come for 2s2. For 2s2, I think you have to just change n is equal to 2. Otherwise, the same thing will be there. Am I right? Just write n is equal to 2. L will be 0 only. For s orbital, what is the value of L? 0. Correct? Same address you will write. Getting it? Now let us see for 2p6 now. Students, I hope you are getting it. Clear? So this is the address for this one, this is that. Now let us see for the 2p orbital now. For 2p6, how will you write? Students, for this you have to draw a box diagram. See. How many orientations are there for p orbital? There are three orientations, right? One, two, three orientations are there, right? Now you have to fill 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This orbital is px, py, and pz. See, you should know that you should know to write the n and n values for everything. That's all main thing. Okay. Now for these 2 electrons, let us write the. Okay. Now, how many orientations are there? 3 orientations, right? The 3 orientations, you can give the number from minus L to plus L. Okay, minus L to plus L. Now, what is the L value for p orbital? Tell me what is the L value for p orbital. For p orbital, L value is equal to 1. S orbital 0. P orbital 1. So, can I say minus L to plus L means what? Minus 1, 0, plus 1. You can write like this. Is that clear? This you can take it as minus 1, 0, plus 1. Fine. Okay. So now, let us write for these 2 electrons. What are the address? For one of the electron, n is equal to 2. For p orbital 1, ml is equal to minus 1. Remember, these are the values of ml. Minus 1, 0, plus 1. ml is equal to minus 1. And you can take ms is equal to half. Okay. Yes, I am drawing for this circle. Sania. Yes. For one of the electron, right? For the other electron, which is downwards, there is a downward electron, right? The same thing will continue. N is equal to 2, L is equal to 1, same thing, but ms will become minus half. Are you clear? ms will become minus half for the downward electron, right? Okay. So this is for these 2 electrons, right? Now it has come for these 2 now. Okay. Now for these two, one will be plus half, one will be minus half, but the value of ml will change now. What is the value of ml? You will give 0. For both the electrons, ml will be equal to 0. See, for both the electrons, right, you will put ml is equal to 0. Clear? L will be as usual 1 only. Okay. Now similarly for both these electrons, you will put ml is equal to plus 1. Okay. Yes. For both these electrons, right, ml will be equal to plus 1, right? So that's the thing. So like what are the quantum numbers for each. So for this ml is minus 1, for this ml is 0, for this plus 1. Okay. L values are same for everybody. What is the L value? 1. P orbital. No? N values are also same. Okay. And in a box, one will have plus half, the other will have minus half. Okay, students. So this is how you'll do. Okay. Let me give you some questions now. So I hope you're understanding. For d orbital, see, for d orbital, L will be equal to 2. So let me write down now. L is equal to 0 means s orbital, L is equal to 1 means p orbital, right? Now students, you need to buy hard this, very, very important. This is very, very important. For which orbital, like, clear? Fine. Is that clear? Okay. Now we'll take up some questions now. Let's take up some questions. How many electrons in calcium? How many electrons in calcium, right? Have N plus L. I'll give a simpler one. N plus L is equal to 2. This is a question. We'll take up difficult later on. How many electrons in calcium have N plus L is equal to 2? Let's check it out now. So for the first thing, like you write the answer, right? Calcium is what? 40. Sorry, 20. Atomic number is 20, right? Mass number is 40, right? Okay, 20. Just now we wrote the configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. So you have got 20 electrons here, right? Just check it out. 10 plus 10, 20 electrons, right? Okay. Okay, fine, 20. Now you have to write the n plus L value for each one of them. Now let's check what is the n plus L value for these two electrons. For these two electrons, remember. So what is the n value? 1. What is the L value? 0. So what is n plus L for this? 1. For these two. Is that clear? Now let us see for these two electrons. Let's see this now. Tell me, what is n value? 2. What is L value? 0. What is n plus L? 2. So I think we have got that 2 number here. Okay. Fine. Now let us do this one now. N is equal to 2. L is equal to 1 for P of. So here n plus L will be equal to what? 3. Okay. So students, I think only for this you will get. The answer is you will get only for n plus L is equal to 2 only for these two electrons. Because here you will get n plus L as how much? 3. Here you will get n plus L as how much? 3 plus 1. For p orbital L is 1. Here you will get 4. Here also you will get 4. Clear? So what is the right answer, tell me? You have got only 2 electrons for which n plus L is equal to 2. So the answer is 2 electrons, right? Okay. Yes. So you have got only 2 electrons, right? Okay. That will be the answer. Students, I hope you're getting it. They gave us an easy question, like clear. We'll take up difficult ones now. So I hope you're getting it. Now let's take now like this. How many electrons have N plus L plus Ml? I'll put one Ml also. Is equal to 2. Come on, let's do this. N plus L plus Ml is equal to 2. So again, you write the configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, right? 3s2, 3p6. Okay. Yes, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Okay, fine. Now, so this is your, configuration, right? Now, students, for these 2 electrons, let's see for these 2 electrons. Just now we did N is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, Ml will also be 0. So, what if you add up everything? Tell me, what will you get? N plus Ml is equal to what? You will get 1. Correct? So, these type of questions are very important. Huh? They are asked in the exam. Now, similarly, if you do for this, what will you get? N is equal to 2, L is equal to 0, Ml is equal to 0. Now you will get 2 now, just check. N plus L plus Ml is equal to how much? 2. So these 2 electrons are there. Fine. So you will get 2 electrons here. Okay. Yes, one. I'll use another color now. Let me use another color. For 2p6. So please, you have to count these 2 electrons. That will be 2, like. Now for 2p6 students, how will you do it? Just see now. I'll write on the top. Now students, for 2p6, what you have to do is, you draw the box diagram. So you will put 2 here, you will put 2 here, right? And you will put 2 here. Okay. Now, what are the n values for this? 2, 2p6, right? 2. L is equal to 1. For these 2 electrons, I am telling. For these 2. N is equal to 2, L is equal to 1. P orbital, right? Now, student, what is Ml? Minus 1, 0, plus 1. So, Ml is equal to minus 1. Okay. Just check it up. L is equal to 1, Ml is equal to minus 1. Okay. Let me do it here also. Let me do it here itself. So I'll do it again for you. 2p6 I am taking. Okay. N is equal to 2, Ml is equal to, L is equal to 1. Okay. So students, for these 2 electrons, what will be the value of N plus L plus Ml? Can you guess? It will be 2 because 2 plus 1 minus 1 is 2. So this also you have to count. Okay. Fine. Obviously, I think this you will not get it. Just check it up. I don't have to do it for you. Just check it up. N plus L plus Ml. Okay. Here, what will be N value? I'll do it for you. N is equal to 2, L is equal to 1, Ml is equal to 0, right? So I think if you add it up, you will get 3 actually, right? Okay. Fine. So student, I think you have to count only these 2 electrons. 2 plus 2, 4. So already you have got 4. Okay. I hope you are getting this. Now let us come to 3s2 now. So we have to go to the next one, right? 3s2. Okay. So the answer is, till now we have got 2 here. For 2s2 we have got 2. This is for 2s2 we have got 2 electrons, right? And for 2p6 we have got 2 electrons, whose n plus l plus ml, right, is equal to 2. Okay. For 2s2 2 and 2p6 2. I'll write down. Okay, son. Now we have to go to the next orbital now. What is the next orbital? The next orbital is 3s2. Okay. Now here what is n value? 3. S means L value is 0. What is ML? 0. Okay. So now you do this n plus L plus L. So this will not work out. This will not work out. Okay. Basically we want the n plus L plus ML is equal to 2. Now let us go to the next one now, student. Let us go to 3p6 now. Okay. So now if you do it for 3p6, let's do it now. So I'll rub this. This will not work out. 3p6. Okay. Now student, let me draw the box diagram now. Okay, let me draw the box diagram. Student, just give me 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, so we'll continue now. Let us do for 3p6 now. Let's see. We'll start now. So what is n here? 3. L is equal to 1. Remember for p orbital L is equal to 1. Minus 1, 0, plus 1. So what is ml? Minus 1. Okay. 3, 1, ml is minus 1. So what are the values you will get? Tell me. N plus L plus ml is equal to, you will get 3. Okay. Fine. Students, here I think you will get more value. You will not get 2 actually. Just check it out. You will never get 2 here. Here also I think you will never get 2. Okay. So for 3p6 I don't think you will get anything, right? Okay. You will get 3. And similarly you can check it out for 4s2. 4s2 n is equal to 4, L is equal to 0. So obviously you will not get that value. Okay. Fine, students. So the answer is, the total is how many electrons are there? 4 electrons are there. Okay. So there are 4 electrons whose n plus L plus ml is equal to 2. Students, very important question. You should know to write the n L value for everything. Sometimes they can put ms also. Like clear. Fine. So I hope you are getting it. Is that clear? Okay, fine. Now let us do one more question here. Now this I will give you for a very important atom here. You write down find the number of electrons, right? Find the number of electrons whose n plus L plus Ml, right, is equal to, let me take 3. Okay. For chromium atom. Yes, it's a very interesting question. It's been asked in IIT exam also once, very important. For chromium atom. Okay. Now, why this question is important? Because chromium has a little bit different configuration. The last time we discussed. See, chromium atomic number is 24. Okay, 24. So, how do you write this? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 24. Remember, 3s2, 3p6. Correct. Already you have taken care of how many electrons? 10 plus 18. 18 is already over. Okay. 4s2, 3d4. So now you are getting 24. Just check it up. 10 plus 10, like you will get 24 electrons, right? Clear? Now student, very, very important. Very, very important. This 4, oh yes. Now see here. This 4s2, 3d4, you can't write like this. What you have to do is, you should write this as 4s1, 3d5. So small change you have to make. 4s1, 3d5. Now why? Why? Important. Because half-filled configuration is more stable. See, when you are having 3d5, what is the maximum capacity of d obelisk 10? Fine. So when you are adding 3d5, you will get half filled. Correct? 3d5 when you write, students, you will get a situation like this, half filled. Okay? Half filled obelisks are highly unstable, highly stable. Now why? Because this electron, can move from one place to another place. This electron can jump to this place. They can keep moving actually. Very stable, very stable. Okay, so what you are doing here is you are shifting one electron from s orbital to d orbital. Now you will say, sir, it requires energy. Yes, it requires energy, because you're shifting, you require energy. But the benefit that you get, okay, you require energy. The benefit that you get is very high, because it becomes stable. Students, fine? This I discussed last time also. So you should write 4s1, 3d5. Clear? So if you write like that, see your answer will change. So be very careful in the exam, if you write the other way around, you'll get a different answer. Okay? Yes, you will get a different answer, right? Fine. So 4s1, 3d5. Half fill. You make it as half fill, right? Okay, student. Half fill is more stable. Now we will write this n plus n. Now we'll do faster now. We'll do faster now. We will not take much time. Let us do for this one now. These two electrons, right? What is the value of n plus L plus Ml? I think we'll get 2. I'm not going to do the whole thing now. Clear? L is 0, Ml is 0, right? So what is this for this? N plus L plus Ml. Again you will get 2. Correct? This one again you will get 2, right? N is equal to 2, L is equal to 0. Now here you have to be careful. Here students you have to be careful. For 2p6, we will have to draw the box diagram. -1, 0, +1. Okay. So you will have, and remember 2p. Now students tell me, n value is 2, L value is 0, sorry, L value is 1, 2p6 I'm telling n value is 2, right? P not 0, 1, 1. L value is 1 for p orbital, right? Now what is ml here? ml is minus 1. So if you do n plus L plus ml, I think 1 minus 1 soon will get cancelled. So you will get 2 for this one, for this box. For this box, right? Okay. 1 for p orbital, right? Now what will be for this? 2 plus 1 plus 0. So here you will get 3. 2 plus 1 plus 0, here you will get 3. Here you will get 4 students, right? Okay. Now I want n plus L plus ml to be 3. Remember? I told you n plus L plus ml 3 I want. So here you are getting 2 electrons now. Correct? I am getting 2 electrons here. 3. So I can write here for 2p6 I will get 2 electrons. Okay, let's do for the other ones now fast now. For 3s2 I think you will get it. N is equal to 3, right? L is equal to 0, ml is equal to 0. So obviously for 3s2 also you will get 2 electrons, right? So here also you will get 2 electrons, correct? Okay, fine. Clear? For 3s2 also you will get 2. Let's see for 3p6 now. For 3p6 students you will not get it because 3 plus 1 will come. What is the L value for p orbital? 1, 1. So here you will get 3 plus 1. Correct? But then minus 1 can also come. So let us draw for 3p6 now. Let's see. Okay. So let us take for 3p6 now. Minus 1, 0, plus 1, right? 3p6. So what is n value? 3. What is L value? 1. And what is ml value here? Minus 1, right? So I think for this, I think student you will get 3. Just check it out. So for 3p6 you will get 2 electrons. Is that clear? Basically we are discussing n plus L plus ml is equal to 3 I should get, right? 3. So 3p6 you will get. Students you will not get here, you will not get here, you can check it out, like clear. Fine. Now let us go for the next one, 4s2. For 4s2 obviously you will not get n is equal to 4, L is equal to 0, ml is equal to 0, so you will not get. Let's do this. Okay. Now let us go to the next one, the last one. Sorry, 4 not 4s2, 4s1. Sorry, 4s1, right. 3d5. 4s1, 3d5. Okay, so let us see the last one now, 3d5. Come on, let us add up the n values for this. ml values will write first. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So for these 2 electrons, what is n value? 3. Okay. N value is 3. Now for d orbital, very important, for d orbital, what is the L value? For d orbital, right? L value is, can you tell me? S orbital 0, correct? P orbital 1, P orbital 1, D orbital 2, F orbital 3, like that. Okay. So L value is 2, ML value is minus 2. Okay. So here I think if you add you will get 3 I think. Just check it up. 3 plus 2 minus 2 I think will, but there is only one electron student, very important. There is only one electron like that. You can do the same thing for this. I don't think you will get it. Because 3, plus 2 minus 1, you will not get it. Here also 3 plus 2 you will get 5. I don't think you will get for this. So I think you will get only 2 electrons, right? So for 3d5 you will have 2 electrons whose n plus L plus, oh sorry, only 1 electron. N plus Ml is equal to 3. Why student I am telling 1 electron? Just see here, I put one single electron, right? Not 2, not a pair, only 1 electron, right? Clear? Fine. So these many electrons, students, they have N plus L plus Ml is equal to 3. So what is the total answer? Tell me. The total answer will be 2 plus 2, right? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 electron here. Okay. So the answer is 7. So there are 7 electrons, right? Whose N plus L plus Ml is equal to 3. Okay. So students, you do more practice in this, like very important. So I hope you're getting it. For 3d5, only 1 electron, right? Okay. Okay, students, you do more practice in this, right? Okay. We'll continue this next time. Okay. You can do more practice from your, textbook, whatever you have got. Okay. Achyuta book. Because these questions, they come frequently, right? Okay. Okay, then bye, students. Bye.